There's also situations where you don't necessarily want to overwrite the values that you're collecting because you're grooming your CRM and what's in your CRM is most accurate. So for example, if you are accepting the person's domain of the company here, and then you also are accepting the name of the company, let's say that the name of the company might exist, but you don't want to overwrite the existing value because what you have in your CRM is accurate. Someone might fat finger the name, or they might put an abbreviation and you want a specific name. You can actually click on do not overwrite existing value here. And so when someone enters a name, it will not overwrite in the CRM for this specific field. And if you want to do this from a bulk standpoint, you can hit select here and then bulk select specific fields and then set to do not overwrite for those specific fields, which will mean any value that's put in here, it will be used to find an existing company based off domain, but it will not overwrite the data that is in the CRM.